everyone, my name is Michaela Heron and I'm a dietetic intern with Gravers Public Health, and I'm here today to show you how to make apple bites. Have you ever eaten an apple for a snack and then gotten hungry about 10 minutes later? So I'm here today to show you how to make an apple a filling snack with some fat, fiber, and protein to keep you full. First, we're going to get started by cutting the apple lengthwise, like so, and then cutting it again lengthwise as far as you can without hitting the core. And then we're going to take these two pieces that we cut off and we're going to cut them lengthwise again. So then you have two pieces that are flat like this. We're going to put those on the plate. And then cut this other piece lengthwise. And with the two pieces on the end, we can still make this work. You can cut as close as you can to the core and get pieces that look about like this. And now we have our apple all ready to go. So all we need to do is add some peanut butter. You can also use any type of nut butter, so sun butter, and which is made out of sunflower seeds, soy butter, wow butter, any type. They all provide a lot of healthy fats, which is great for keeping you full for longer. And they also have a bit of protein, which will keep you full for longer as well. Our next step is adding the pepitas. These are just a different variation of pumpkin seeds, and they are nutritional powerhouses. They have lots of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. So we're just gonna take them about a tablespoon at first, and we're gonna sprinkle them on. Pepitas are also really high in magnesium. Magnesium is really important in muscle and nerve transmission. Deficiencies can lead to muscle cramps, muscle spasms, and headaches. Since pepitas have a lot of fiber in them, they will cause our food to digest a little bit slower, so that keeps us full for longer. So next we're going to be adding a little bit of chocolate chips, and these are not necessarily nutritious, but they are delicious and add a little bit of flavor to our snack. So I just add a few around the edges, but you can add as many as you like. I find just a few, like 3 or 4, gives enough flavor to make the snack quite delicious. You can add any type of nut or seed to these apple bites. Examples are almonds, walnuts, cashews, sunflower seeds. Anything works because they all will have a lot of nutrients and a lot of fat and fiber to keep you full. And we're also going to be adding a bit of coconut flakes. This is optional, but it just gives it a little bit more flavor. You can use anything else for your toppings. There you have it. Apple bites in under 5 minutes. They're delicious and they will keep you full for a long time because of the fat, protein, and fiber. Hope you enjoy.